Welcome, my friends. We've got another quick, easy project that I just wanted to share with you. This is so much fun, and I really enjoyed making this Dollar Tree tray into a beautiful tray for my bathroom. So the first thing was I picked up a $5 wooden tray at Dollar Tree. And these are so nice. I've used these in the past and done different projects, but this is the first time I've actually decoupaged. They're nice and sturdy. And then I picked up, while I was on my little mini vacation, some beautiful hydrangea napkins. I will leave you a shot if you'd like to try to order those. I got these from a really cute little gift shop in Beaufort, North Carolina. But the first step is to prepare the tray. So what we're going to do is take this napkin and see how beautiful that is. It's got butterflies and hydrangeas. And I'm getting into my head the idea that I want to use. And here is the paint color I picked out. It matches the background, and you're going to need some Mod Podge. So I'm going to be painting the tray a khaki color. This is just acrylic paints, and just using a sponge brush, I put on 2 coats of this acrylic paint. So I did end up giving this tray 2 coats of this khaki color on all sides and on the bottom, and then I'm going to let this sit overnight and be completely dry before I start decoupaging it with the Mod Podge and the napkins. Alright, so here is the napkin, and this is my centerpiece. This is what I want to show up in the very center of the tray. So I've cut this into 2 sections. It's so much easier to decoupage with smaller pieces than, say, one big napkin. So I've cut this into 2 pieces. I want it to be right in the center. Now this is a 3-ply napkin, so you're going to take away the bottom 2 plies. Just moisten your fingers a little bit and it peels right off. Now these are very delicate, so be very careful with it. And I'm just kind of putting it in place where I want it to be. And I'm going to take the other napkin and get it centered. Again, the same process, just peel off the 2 layers. And then I'm going to place it exactly where I want it on the tray. Now you do not put Mod Podge on the napkin. You will put that directly on the tray and then lay the napkin on top of the glue. So I figured out where I want it. I'm going to start at the top, peel it back a little bit, and then just add a little bit of the Mod Podge to the tray, and then go over the top with additional glue. So this is where I wanted it to start, and now I'm taking my paintbrush and going all the way down, coating the tray with the Mod Podge. Now this does dry clear. This is the matte finish. That is my favorite finish. And it's the same thing I use on the rope bowls. So we're just putting it in place, and it did wrinkle a little bit, but that's okay. Just very gently take your paintbrush and paint over the entire napkin, making sure you seal those edges. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other side, and because I know where I'm going to put it, I went ahead and put the glue all the way down, and then just press it down very lightly, and then go back over that with the brush and the glue. Alright, so I've got my center done. Now I'm going to go back over this top with the glue. And now I want to do that really pretty crisscross border that's in the napkin all the way around the tray. So what I have to do is cut that out of the napkin and then just start piecing it. So I want my background done first, so I've cut out from the napkin that border that goes all the way around the napkin. I'm cutting those strips out and I'm going to put that all around the tray. Now some of them were long strips and then some of them were short strips. But I'm going to try to match it as carefully as I can so that all of the patterns match. So I'm lining it up, and you'll never be able to tell that was pieced. Once you put the glue on it and it dries, it looks like one continuous piece. So I ended up using about 4 napkins for this project, which I still have a pack full. And I'm just going around the entire tray, and I'll show you how easy it was to do those corners. Alright, I did cut out a couple of hydrangeas and add those to the bottom. Cover up some of the hole, and you just cut around the hydrangea, cut around the leaf until you get what you want. And I use that to fill in all around the sides and on the top. Now you can see I've taken that corner piece off the napkin and cut it just like that, and that's going to go in the corner. So I did 4 of those. I'm going to peel it off and then place that right in the corner. Put some glue there, angle it better, and see how perfectly that fits in the corner. So I went around the entire tray piecing this together, and then I'm going to go back in and fill in with flowers. I've cut out leaves. I'm placing leaves in different places just to fill in those gaps. So when this is finished, the entire bottom of the tray is covered. Now I did go back and add more butterflies. I cut out the butterflies and just placed them all over the tray, and then I even some of them doubled up on the butterflies so they'd really stand out. So you just play with it. It doesn't matter if the glue dries, it just dries clear and you just add more. So I did this piece by piece, gluing it into place and then putting the glue right on top. And I went back and filled in all of those gaps. Now once the tray was complete and I was satisfied, I went back over it with one more coat of sealer all over the entire piece, and I even coated the rest of the tray. So it is pretty waterproof now. I'm going to be using this in the bathroom, and I think it turned out great. I was really tickled over the antiquing look that it has using that khaki color in the background. It just really looks pretty and old to me. So there's the finished piece. I think it looks so pretty. It doesn't look at all like it was pieced. And it's waterproof now, and I'm going to place this in the bathroom between my 2 sinks just to hold my toiletry items. I'm loving it, and I can't wait to make more of these. So keep your eye out for paper napkins. Go by your Dollar Tree and pick up one of these inexpensive wooden trays, and you can make something for your home to use in your bathroom or kitchen. But this was a lot of fun, very relaxing. And here it is in the bathroom, all ready for me to use. And I've got my rope dyed, so I will start making a rope bowl and using the same napkins create a rope bowl to use in my bathroom as well, so stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a very blessed and safe day, and I'll see you next time.